Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You want to add a contact now, so start in the Viber app on your phone. First, confirm Viber is active and has contacts permission. This lets Viber suggest matches and prevents duplicate entries. Once done, open the Chats tab, tap the plus or add contact icon to begin. You're doing this to ensure Viber can access numbers and sync them. That's why permissions matter. Next, choose whether to enter a phone number manually or pick from your phone contacts to continue. Now enter the contact details. Type the full phone number including the country code, or select an existing synced contact to avoid typos. You should add a recognizable name and optional email or nickname so you can find them quickly later. After you tap Save, Viber will automatically verify whether that number is registered on Viber and will create a chat if it is. If not, it will save the number locally so you can message once they join. This step prevents sending messages. Finish by opening the new contacts chat and sending a short message to confirm delivery. You can also place a test call. If Viber says the contact isn't found, make sure you use the correct country code and that they've registered with Viber. Once verified, resync your contacts in Viber settings so it updates online status. If issues persist, toggle the contacts permission off and on, restart the app, then resync. That usually resolves missing or unsynced entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.